Greetings to all heavy machinery enthusiasts. Join us on Smart Tech for a journey through the world of powerful equipment and modern agriculture solutions. The UGV machine from Robotics Plus is equipped with a hybrid diesel-electric system that allows for up to 12 hours of work. It's designed as a modular machine capable of changing several tools depending on the work in the garden. It can spray, prune, harvest, and cut grass. It's also adaptable to different types of crops. Maintenance requirements are reduced thanks to the direct electric drive system, no gearbox or hydraulics, and sealed wiring. This machine can work comfortably on slopes up to 20 degrees and is capable of turning on a 10-degree slope. The small turning radius and the ability to rotate between rows without skipping them significantly increases the unit's productivity compared to a conventional tractor. What about a powerful yet modern garden secateur? One of the best models has been created by Monchiero. The machine is ideal for fruit plants as it allows you to cut branches up to 10 inches in diameter and has a working width of 90 inches. The arm is equipped with a spring-loaded locking mechanism to avoid damage to branches or chassis in the event of an unexpected collision. The pivoting head on this model has three 33-inch diameter cutting discs and is mounted on a hydraulic arm connected to the tractor. Vermeer's popular Model CT718 compost tedder can now be equipped with full-size steel tracks, an option that is best suited for rugged and muddy terrain. The new full-track option is one of 4 drive systems available for the CT718 compost tedder, which also include 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and 2-wheel drive plus 2 short tracks. The SP3150 grabs bales in the same direction your baler places them in the field by clamping the sides of the bale, eliminating the need to drive crosswise across the field or move bales across the ground into position. The bale clamp quickly pulls the bales off the ground, reducing the amount of stuck debris created when the bales slide on the ground. It's fully adjustable for 3x3, 3x4, and 4x4 bales, and the spring-loaded bumper has multiple settings for different bale lengths. Roller forks stabilize the bales on the platform and ensure tight and even stacking. Root AI has unveiled a new smart robot capable of picking ripe tomatoes on its own. The device performs its work with the help of machine vision and learning. These systems are programmed in such a way that the robot can recognize ripe fruits that can be picked and their maturity in real time. It can do this even in dense planting, in difficult growing conditions, and in varying degrees of light. Sensors of the device allow it to see the surrounding world in 3D, so the robot can choose the best way to harvest. The claw is also noteworthy, with which the machine carefully grabs ripe tomatoes. The robot can reach the fruit through the tangled, curly stems and pick it without damaging either the tomato or the stem. The picked fruit is placed in a special tray on the base of the machine. After the first pass with a V-shear, all the debris will be on the ground. That's when a new technique from Savannah comes into play, producing its own 1200 series of rotor rakes specifically designed to pick up debris after the cutting process. There are 2 groups of rotary rakes. The 1206-1207 for light debris in the form of short sticks and small stumps, and the 1240, 1250, and 1260 capable of picking up long, full-grown trees and large stumps, and which can also significantly level the ground surface. Wow! See how the PackMat roller rolls over any material, turning it into a tightly compacted layer. Not only does this maximize space saving in containers, but in addition, the PackMat technique can easily transport these very containers from place to place. Convenience and efficiency at its best. The Top Cut Collect Weed Harvester is a technology for mechanical weed control in the case of a non-resistance problem or in the case of a chemical-free farming strategy. Weeds and weeds growing taller than the cultivated plantings are cut with a horizontal knife exactly above the top of the cultivated plantings. By cutting, collecting, and removing weed seeds, field hygiene is improved. The mower system with double knife beam and special spiral reel works neatly without spilling weed seeds. The machine is available in working widths of 29, 39, and 59 feet. The system, which consists of conveyor belts and a large capacity collection container, very thoroughly removes weed seeds from the surface. Such a wind machine, used to combat late frosts, has rotors tilted slightly downward to suck in warm air from a higher layer of air and swirl it with cold air on the ground. This has the effect of raising the temperature of the air near the ground. The big advantage of these stationary wind turbines is that they turn on automatically if the appropriate temperature is programmed. What does this mean? Yes, at least that coniferous trees will be protected even if the frost is unreliable. The disadvantages include the significant noise level of wind turbines and the need to obtain numerous permits. Let's move on to the LH621 model. The main advantages of this 21-ton underground loader and dump truck: excellent productivity for the most efficient tunneling, increased safety thanks to the operator's cab with certified protection against falling objects and tipping over. It also features an intelligent control system for quick and easy diagnostics and low emissions for environmentally friendly mining operations. DeWolf recently unveiled its new agricultural machine, the ZKIV SC 4-row tedder combine. The powerful machine is characterized by an extended set of cleaning functions, a brand new elevator with hydraulic extension, and the ability to pick the product, in this case carrots, with short row spacing. Such machinery has numerous advantages, such as stability in the field, reliability and excellent maneuverability, high harvesting quality, and high processing capacity. The manufacturer offers entirely new knives as well as 3 cleaning versions for the neat transportation of the product into containers or trailer according to the customer's requirements and local needs. Dominator Model LV1400 is originally designed for heavy forest maintenance work. The machine can be equipped with a wide range of attachments and an extendable boom, which is suitable for intensive forestry work such as stump grinding, tree felling, and wood chopping. What we have is a multifunctional and versatile machine that also works outside the forest. Its sturdy front panel and auxiliary arm can be equipped with a wide range of attachments for use from roadside and highway maintenance to winter snow removal. In addition, the lift cab design and remote control allows forestry work to be performed in areas that are particularly sloped and dangerous to access. Planting season is upon us? Then the PlantMax X2 combined soil preparation and planting machine is just what you need. Since its manufacture, many successful tests and demonstrations have been carried out in pine and eucalyptus plantations. The machine does not look like a standard machine of its class. We can't hide that. However, thanks to the versatility and adaptability of the newly applied PlantMax concept, the manufacturer has succeeded in achieving what is intended. This machine clearly has the potential to be the best in mechanical seeding, and you can see for yourself how it works by watching the video. You see the mobile manure separator Holzel AgroSystem. This non-standard helper can offer some advantages for agricultural enterprises. For example, reduced storage volume. Separation can increase storage capacity by 20%. It produces a long-lasting fertilizer due to its high organic nitrogen content. Application with a manure spreader. When the manure is still in its liquid phase, it's excellent for meadows because it has a high proportion of readily available nutrients. The separator also has excellent controllability when using ground-level spreading technology. Open up a world of new possibilities with the Rototilt R3, the unbeatable assistant for excavators from 6 to 12 tons. This innovative rototilt, with a breakaway torque of 85 kilonewtons, is a real breakthrough for any machine. The R3 is equipped with a high-tech swivel mechanism for efficient and precise operation. Its sophisticated hydraulic system, rated at 250 bar, guarantees top performance. The connected impact rotating brush is ideal for spotless railroad tracks, demonstrating the versatility and efficiency of the R3 in action. Let's be honest, the thought and engineering used to create this machine is truly amazing. The breaker-style rack with hydraulic cable tensioner will save you a lot of time. In the past, this kind of work was done manually, and for farmers it became a real problem, and sometimes even an impossible task. But now, no diggers for poles, no pulling each strand manually. Breaker style will do it all by itself, with quality and reliability. And it appears to be able to move over rough terrain without any difficulties. This machine is like a harvest trailer that collects the product in itself. A belt with stainless steel cups can run across the field. The workers, at the same time, place the cauliflower on the cups, and they are easily transported to the very heart of the machine. The combine cuts high-quality cauliflower, and it's also effortless to switch to another crop. You only need to change the cutting heads, and the machine is ready to go. Just imagine, up to 150 cauliflower and 100 broccoli can be processed per minute. We have made such technological advances that mankind now effortlessly brings amazing projects to life through the masterful use of lasers. Mastering the skill turns the task of marking from a potential headache into an easy and enjoyable job. To meet the widest possible technical challenges, Kimrock has developed various cutting wheel options, with cutting depths up to 1,000 millimeters, with different cutting tool configurations, and widths up to 400 millimeters. Interestingly, the DMW series is also capable of working underwater at depths of up to 30 meters, making this equipment ideal for trenching and underwater work. The fact that concrete has to be hard doesn't mean it has to be handled. The self-loading skid steer concrete mixer from Hymac Attachments makes such a difficult job much easier. Mixing concrete has never been easier thanks to the ability to quickly add cement powder to the integrated bag breaker. Thanks to the hydraulic opening at the bottom of the nozzle, as well as the removable discharge tube, you have maximum control over every pour. This concrete mixer attachment comes in various sizes to fit your line of work. The largest model can mix and transport up to 600 liters of concrete in one load. Now let's mention the mini compost seeder with a 12-bucket rotary distribution system, which is fed by just one operator to 2 rows at once. The distance between the rows per unit is adjustable from 35 to 50 centimeters. The minimum distance between 2 elements must be at least 70 centimeters. Productivity from 5,000 to 7,000 plants per hour per operator. Impressive, isn't it? The machine is also equipped with a special plant holder, which has the ability to rotate in 6 directions. The innovative Fled Bag system makes emptying big bags easy, fast, and precise. The residue can only remain in the big bag for later use. It can be used with both disposable and reusable bags, which is a great advantage. Fled Bag is suitable for handling seed, feed, fertilizer, salt, gravel, pellets, and much more. The system can be used with single-sided and rotary big bags and allows easy dosing of material. The Bonatio motorized small fruit harvester is just perfect for olives, acorns, pistachios, and hazelnuts that have naturally fallen to the ground. No dust rises above the ground during harvesting, and speeds can reach 9 to 12 miles per hour. To maximize results, it's important to thoroughly prepare the soil, which must be cleaned, rolled, and mowed. With each pass of the motorized small fruit harvester, you'll be guaranteed a great harvest. Harvesting is done with small rubberized nails that grab the fruit without damaging it, and then transport it to the removable crate. And this is the new generation fixed hammerstone crusher model. The robust and powerful machine incorporates a large diameter rotor with evenly distributed fixed 32 hammers. Thanks to these hammers, the stone crusher can crush stones up to 500 millimeters, and its hydraulic counterblade adjustment allows determining the required level of stone crushing. Once again, our eyes are fixed on the automated hero of the fields, the onion picker. Personally, I can't hide my delight at the fact that the era of grueling manual labor in the fields is slowly but surely receding in the face of technological progress. Have you ever thought that stationary machines can be not only tools, but also creators? That's right, they're capable of giving the world works of art, extracting true beauty and form from a faceless piece of material. Udo's Deltrack is a universal machine which is capable of carrying various interchangeable attachments. It can be a recultivator, snow milling machine, mold board, sweeping brush, etc. The machine is controlled remotely from the remote control, and the operator can send up to 18 different executive commands to it. As a mower, the machine is designed for cutting tall grass on slopes up to 55 degrees. Don't let the size of this machine fool you. It's capable of real miracles. When creating panels, it shows incredible detail and craftsmanship, making each image a true work of art. In the world of metalworking, there are technological marvels capable of great things, and the sheet metal cutting machine is a prime example of this. In general, this machine was designed for mechanical harvesting of olives. However, it can also be perfectly used for harvesting citrus trees. New Holland Olivier has an autolineante tilting head that smoothly grabs the vegetation without damaging the tree. The SDC shock system with flexible rear locking shakers massages and gently follows the crop without damaging the fruit or plant, while preserving the buds that will be harvested next year. Broad systems include dedicated crop conveyors and a single central exhaust fan with excellent cleaning. FPT industrial engines with electronically controlled common rail and IMS provide higher performance and consumption savings. With 175 horses and a 6-cylinder engine, the 175 horsepower and torque delivers more power and torque and an average fuel economy of 35%. The cab features a fully adjustable seat and steering wheel to adapt to the driver's needs. Snow removal is a challenge that can easily be turned into a chore by choosing the right equipment. When you have the appropriate equipment, snow obstacles no longer seem insurmountable. Get ready. In just a second, you'll open your mouth in amazement. It's hard to believe, but the huge bucket of the Caterpillar tractor was literally completely engulfed by the deepest trench. You see the Pecan gull-wing dual-tire system. The creation of this extraordinary technique was inspired by the desire for dual wheels and the need to comply with road width regulations. Pecan developed a special gull-wing system that detaches both rear duals and lifts them above the tractor for transportation. When the machine arrives in the field, the operator can fold the wheels without leaving the cab. The doubles are quickly attached to the rear wheels with a special coupling system. Coupling plates ensure that the tires are truly aligned correctly when changing from working to field mode, and then they're screwed into place. And the transition to transport mode takes only 20 to 30 seconds. See how gracefully and precisely every corner is removed, transforming an ordinary piece into a masterfully crafted creation that precisely meets someone's wants and needs. Put aside all notions of laser engraving and fully immerse yourself in watching the process. I would even say that it's more like a real visual art, where each laser beam creates amazing patterns and textures on the surface. The Joskin Tipper Trailer is the real bestseller of the company's XL version, available with 2 18 to 22 tons payload or 3 axles, 24 to 26 tons. It is offered in capacities from 21.9 to 30.8 meters cubed, DIN. The trailer is available with 49-inch or 60-inch high sides, which is ideal for loading the trailer using a conveyor belt, for example, when harvesting different crops. All in all, this is a trailer for every need. The chassis is 35 inches wide, so wide wheels are possible. The tipper trailer features a straight drawbar for strength and a large steering angle. And the wide attachment across the entire width of the chassis gives the machine more maneuverability by providing a rigid line of pull. Modern production has reached such a level of automation that even the creation of a culinary masterpiece in a restaurant may well turn into an exciting spectacle. Building flawless railroad tracks without modern machinery? Practically unthinkable. But fortunately, we live in an era where the ideal tool for this has already been invented and is ready for use. How great it is that mankind has invented construction equipment capable of solving the most difficult tasks. Are you surprised too? How in a matter of seconds, this unit on wheels leveled asphalt irregularities, allowing road traffic to continue in full force. What makes the beton block system so special? If only the fact that large concrete blocks can be used to create structures that would be impossible with poured concrete. The system can best be compared to Lego and is almost as simple. The blocks form a stable, movable, and scalable stacking system that requires no mortar, making them ideal for temporary and/or permanent structures. Beton block steel molds are specifically designed to allow contractors to easily produce highly functional concrete blocks. The blocks fit tightly together thanks to studs at the top and notches at the bottom of the blocks. This flexible construction method is the perfect way to easily expand or modify any structure at any time. What do we know about Ditch Witch's new Model 1820? Well, at least that this interesting machine is equipped with a powerful 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, a digging depth of up to 1.2 meters, and an operating weight of about 1 ton. All this is needed for the machine to lay pipes and cables efficiently, even on the most difficult job sites. Just look at how the metal rods are instantly woven into a complex structure to create a predetermined object. It's a sight that's difficult to look away from. Manhole installation can be quite the entertaining endeavor if you have the right machinery ready to take on the most crucial part of the task. Just look at this bloodthirsty monster with an iron jaw. The impression is that he's ready to tear to pieces the unfortunate transport, leaving him no hope for a happy rescue. You're looking at the ultimate revolution in stump removal. The combination of the Model 1720 stump removal equipment and Savannah rotary rakes is the most productive method of converting planted forest to a stump-free condition. When used together, you can convert post-harvest stumps into window stumps at a rate of 20 to 40 acres per day with 2 tractors, 1 stump remover, and 1 rotary rake. Convenient, easy, and very productive. And here's another similar example for you. But without the skill and vigilance of the worker, all this metal transformation magic would not be possible. The human factor is the key to success here. You see another cleaner of beaches and shorelines of rivers and seas. However, a little different modification. In any case, the technique is quite maneuverable and practical in use. It has a fixed blade, which at a set depth and width, collects garbage of various kinds. The waste container, when full, can be effortlessly and quickly removed from the body. Small but mighty. This compact machine is the epitome of power and energy. Excitement on the construction site. Its excitement and diligence prove that size does not always determine power. If you haven't yet watched the process of creating perfect metal objects with a precisely defined shape, you should definitely see it. This picker, aka bale packer, is so enthusiastic in his work that it seems as if the insatiable beast is trying to absorb as much food as possible into his voluminous stomach. If anything, I'm kidding, of course. Watching the mechanized equipment cooking fries with ease is a real pleasure. The transformation of ordinary potatoes into golden deliciousness becomes quite a fascinating spectacle. The conveyor system ensures a flawless packaging and labeling process, making it possible to quickly ship goods to the customer in the shortest possible time. Introducing the new Multi-Pack E14, a model with a new adjustable compaction chamber. Also that the 14 bale bundles are as compact as the customer wants them to be. This packer is also the solution for the 3-row bale market. It's safe to say that the new Multi-Pack E14 means a step forward, a giant leap into a future full of excitement. The main feature of the machine is the better handling of the bunch, thanks to the additional compaction of the bales. The chamber can be adjusted from 34 to 39 inches. An additional knotter has also been used, providing better security of the bundle itself. Meet the machine that seems to have come out of a farmer's dream. A mixer that not only mixes feed to the perfect consistency, but will do so with unprecedented speed and efficiency. With its help, feed preparation becomes an art form, where each mixture is a masterpiece, created with all the needs and preferences of pets in mind. Harvesting seafood treats from large farms is a real spectacle. And then these exquisite seafood products are brought directly to you, giving you the opportunity to enjoy their freshness and flavor in person. I'm sure it's the biggest giant you've ever seen. Look at his size. XXL for a reason. Definitely, with such a giant, you can solve any problem. As they say, there are no impossible tasks. There's an insufficiently thought out solution for them. The eccentric XR22 is a hydraulic ripper suitable for machines with a payload of 18 to 23 tons. The eccentric ripper range has been developed using a patented energy storage impact technology system. The eccentric ripper is the most productive ripper on the market today and is used in a number of applications, including quarrying, construction, demolition, tunneling, and mining. In this mechanical architect's vision, each rotation of his drum is like an artist's brush, bringing the city streets to life, transforming them into masterful canvases of sidewalks and curbs. A mesmerizing sight, a packaging machine in action, transforming an informal mass of product into perfectly shaped, saleable portions. Every movement is the height of precision, as if the machine embodies the very essence of packaging craftsmanship. You know, friends, there are also machines for leveling the sand zone, and they are also very popular. After all, cleaning the beaches manually is an asterisk task, but some manufacturers went further, so to speak. Like, for example, this machine working in Dubai. See for yourself what it can do. Priva, a company from the Netherlands, has launched the Compano robot, which cuts tomato leaves in greenhouses. This robot can move freely around the greenhouse while considering the staff working at the same time. It has enough charge for 24 hours of constant work and is equipped with a 5-kilowatt battery. The developer's main goal is to address the shortage of skilled labor for processing and caring for greenhouse vegetables. The Compano weighs nearly 936 pounds, is 75 inches long, 35 inches wide, and 70 inches high. Its patented arm and intelligent algorithms guarantee 85% efficiency within a week on a single acre. The robotic trimmer is easily controlled by a smart device and is customizable according to user preferences and needs. When the right equipment goes hand in hand with you, even the hardest steel becomes malleable. Creating the perfect notch no longer seems like something out of the realm of fantasy, but becomes an everyday occurrence available to every craftsman. Need to print a lot of brochures with a flawless design? Specialized technology comes to the rescue, designed for precise dimensional adjustment. With it, every copy is as perfect as if it were made to fit a ruler. This is a kind of grinder for stones, which can masterfully grind even the hardest rocks, and all in order to turn them into quality material for further construction work. While some machines are constructing buildings, others are skillfully taking them apart to prepare them for recycling. This is what a versatile tool for flawless vineyard leaf trimming with perfect operator comfort looks like. Pellenc has created its fast and efficient panorama trimmer, which offers high performance and excellent visibility. It's robust and reliable, with 2 cutting systems, reciprocating cutting bars, and with blades. The panorama trimmer provides exceptional visibility along the row. The technique's main strength lies in its technical and visual simplicity. No parts protrude from the chassis and hood, and visibility of the cutting elements is exceptional. The hydraulic transmission is simple and particularly reliable. The steering precision in the row is good. The reduced front overhang allows the machine to be positioned precisely in relation to the row. Making records may seem like something out of the realm of fantasy, but in fact, everything is effortless if you have the necessary machines at hand. They make the whole process understandable and quite affordable. Wouldn't you agree? In this marvelous action, words become superfluous. Immerse yourself in the observation. Let each moment speak for itself, revealing beauty and craftsmanship without a single word. Three high-performance giants fight snowdrifts, demonstrating real skill and power. Working in unison, they overcome any obstacle, showing that in unity, their strength is multiplied and the roads remain clear even on the harshest winter days. Dutch company Plougr has already field-tested the first 5-wheel AT5105. The new product has a similar concept to the 3-wheel AT4103, released earlier this year, and the AT5015 features the same ZF Econ continuously variable transmission, class cab with 4-point suspension, chassis, software, and control panel. The Technique has the same front end, but a more powerful engine, namely the 6-cylinder Scania DC13 Stage 4 with an output of 550 horses. The main difference is the presence of 2 steerable mechanical axles, which provide a small turning diameter and a smoother ride across the field. The machine worked just perfect, and now you too. Come on, guys. Take a look as this outstanding machine expertly assembles a conifer tree in a pile for further digging and transportation. This not only saves tons of time, but also makes moving the tree safe and secure. Each movement of such a mechanical behemoth is like a dance of a giant to the symphony of progress. The spectacle is thrilling, causing both a wave of admiration and an irrepressible desire to follow each subsequent step. Imagine a powerful machine equipped with a magnetic tool that, like a magnetic vortex, instantly collects crushed metal from huge areas. It's not just cleaning, it's high-performance cleaning on a technological level. The Wolverine Ditcher combines the cutting power of an agricultural scraper with the dirt distribution of a rotary ditching machine, allowing you to do your water management work in much less time and in year-round conditions without sacrificing quality. The machine also helps make smooth, tapered cuts, making transitions easier, keeping the field as smooth as it was to begin with, and improving water management. The Wolverine Ditcher has the special ability to eject dirt from both sides, allowing operators to cut ditches in both directions for up to 150 feet. This allows you to adjust on the fly to evenly distribute the dirt where you want it. By eliminating the need to scrape, dump dirt, and then bury it in the soil, the Wolverine Ditcher provides treatment similar to an agricultural scraper in a much shorter time, reducing field compaction and much less drag. Think the bus is too big to be scrap metal? Not for this machine with its powerful attachment tongs. It turns it into a pile of metal ready for recycling in no time. Quickly slicing a product can significantly reduce your time. And if a specialized machine does all the work for you, the process is a pleasure. And it optimizes your time too. The process of turning out products can be incredibly difficult and quite wet. But what will you do if you achieve your goal? Surprising but true, the circular saw turns into a true virtuoso when it comes to creating perfectly shaped wooden beams. Once you see the result, you immediately want to turn them into unique interior pieces or useful items in the home. The construction hair dryer is a versatile tool that will surprise you with its capabilities, even off the construction site. It's perfect for carefully harvesting honey, turning this process into a real culinary adventure. By utilizing such innovative spinning units and taking an unconventional approach to the job, there's no doubt that the reel will be assembled simply flawlessly. Take a look at this powerful tractor, which, together with its multifunctional partner, masterfully cultivates the field, ensuring perfect sifting. With this duo on guard, your harvest is destined for success. The PCC crawler crane from Palfinger is a versatile machine designed for lifting medium to heavy loads. The adaptable crawler crane demonstrates its strength and versatility. And by the way, it's equally cool in a confined indoor and outdoor spaces. Fully assembled with detachable crawler unit, counterweight, boom and powerful 3.5-ton rope winch, the crane's total weight is 42 tons. The PCC model can be easily disassembled in minutes for long-distance transportation on 2 trailers. The flexible machine can also be powered by mains electricity, completely emission-free. The soccer field aerator will transform your lawn by creating microscopic holes in it for better oxygen access to the roots. Its high performance ensures uniform aeration over the entire area, making your lawn healthier and more resilient. Meet an engineering marvel, where literally every cog and gear is a performer in an orchestra of innovation. This machine is like an alchemist transforming raw materials into gold, quietly contributing to the overall victory. Just look at how cool and fast the bale wrapping machine works. In a matter of minutes, the product is ready and fully wrapped and can be used for its intended purpose. Armed with power and the latest technology, the tractor takes on the task of removing old road surfaces with such ease and speed that the task seems like child's play. You're looking at a technological genius, a machine with a cutter, masterfully bringing your rims to a perfect shine. This is the result that true car enthusiasts expect: flawlessness in every detail. The use of aesthetically pleasing and convenient tableware is an integral part of our everyday life. But rarely do we stop to reflect on the marvel of technology and creativity behind its production. Quickly chopped green onions in large quantities? It's no longer a problem if you have such a mechanized assistant. I'll be honest, it's a great option for those who value their time and labor. It's astonishing how many modern machines can marvel at their power and speed of task completion. Efficient? Definitely yes. Here it is, the machine that works for the benefit of the city's appearance, bringing fresh notes of originality to it. With its efforts, local architecture gets a new round of development, turning into an object of universal admiration. From a raw piece of material, you can magically create an elegant object that can adorn any collection. What else is there to add? The technique did the job perfectly. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.